Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 245 or 245 music tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and then use alarms on the Garmin Forerunner 245. While you can do this easily in the Garmin Connect app, I wanted to show you how to do it on the actual watch. So let's go and get started. The first thing we need to do is simply hold down the up button until we see the menu, and then go down until we see alarm clock. Go ahead and select that using the start and stop button. In here, if you do not already have an alarm configured, we'll need to create one. So we'll select Add Alarm. The first thing we need to do is set the time of the alarm. I'm going to change it to 6 a.m. And you can change through the different minutes, hour, and also AM or PM using the select button. Once we do that, we'll scroll down to repeat and select when this alarm will repeat. So in here we have the option to have it go daily. You can also do weekdays or weekends, and then we could do custom, where we could select individual days of the week to have the alarm actually be on for those days. I'm going to do weekdays. So once you select repeat, it'll take you back to the alarm main menu. Now all we need to do is select into that, and we can turn it on or off, or we can go down and do further customization. We can configure if there's going to be any sound, such as a tone, or if it just vibrates, or if there's a tone and vibration. So the vibration is great if you don't want to wake up a partner or something like that. After that, we have backlight. You can have it so that it turns on the backlight on the watch, or it does not. And then you can also have a custom label. So this is where you can give it a name so that you easily know what this alarm is for. And as you can see, you cannot have a custom name, so only the ones that are available by default. After that, we can simply delete the alarm. So that's how you configure and use the alarms on the Garmin Forerunner 245 or 245 music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 245 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.